Hi, this is the Business Guy. I thought it'd be kind of fun to take you on a little home tour, let you know what we look at every day when I'm making these videos. This is what I look at every day. This is the water outside. You can see the yachts over there. Hopefully you can see that. It's a computer, microphones up there. You can see screen. You got the big screen TV up here. Got the put these lights behind it here, Sarah. See, got these lights behind it. These lights, they can turn different colors. So making the videos for you, that's what I'm looking at. So I kind of give you a little tour of the room. I'm actually a licensed airplane pilot, so that's why I got I've never flown that one before though. Used to play the guitar. I started playing guitar when I was like, I don't know, 12, 13. I pick it up and strum every once in a while, but not too much anymore. Not as good as I used to be, and it was never really that good anyway. So you can see the water out there behind me. That's the actually ocean water. In Florida, they have a lot of canals. So what that is, they cut these canals in from the ocean, and the ocean water just spills in. So instead of only having waterfront right on the beach, there's like thousands and thousands of homes that have waterfront on the salt water because they have cut all these canals. So that's Florida for you. So let's go ahead and go out here. Follow me here. I think my wife's out here. So we're gonna go down this way. There's my wife. She's talking to a friend there. So she's having a conversation. Yeah, there's Whiskey. Hi, Whiskey. There's Whiskey. There's my wife talking to her friend. We've been married for 32 years. She's the love of my life.
Hey.
Hey there. Joe, Mindy, Joe.
Staying for breakfast?
Yeah, come on. No, really, I gotta get going.
Nice meeting you.
Let's go ahead and go out here. All right, so go out here. See the yacht's out here. It's not my yacht. That's see, when you live on you have a 200-foot dock in back of your house, you can rent your dock out to people. So make extra income, cover the property tax, all that kind of stuff, That's why they call me the business guy. Kind of gives you an idea. So it's a little tour. So this is where I make the videos every day. So I thought you'd probably enjoy this. So got that American flag up there for 4th of July. Just put in a new flag and a new flagpole. I know in the videos, I'm gonna try to make them perfect and really do research and really give you the very, very best I can to you. So sometimes, it comes across like I'm a real person too. So I just wanted to say hi to everybody and tell you I really appreciate you watching, participating, your feedback, and any ideas you have about new videos. That would be really nice too. So see, I got the little baby ducks out there. They're swimming in the salt water. So anyway, I thought you'd enjoy this. So this is this yacht here. They're from California, and so they rent the dock space. Helps cover the property taxes. So do a little house hacking. Watch the video on house hacking, by the way. You'll really like it. It's like 7 different ways to make money on your house. Instead of having it be an expense, your house can be an income producer. So watch that video on house hacking if you haven't already. I think you really, really will enjoy it. 7 different ways to produce an income from your home. And this is like, with your house. See, this is my neighbor here. They're redoing their dock. And there's the Intercoastals way out there, if you can see that. Yeah, that's the Intercoastal waterway. And so it's behind me here, way out there. But anyway, they cut this during one of the world wars. The German U-boats would sink our merchant vessels as they're going up and down the coast. So what that is, they cut this trench all the way from southern Florida all the way up to New York with some gaps in there, here and there. And that way the merchant vessels could go inside our inner waters without getting sunk by the German U-boats. So pretty cool. And now it makes for a really nice place to, just take the family up and down. A lot of families going up and down, people enjoying themselves. So that's the Florida Intercoastal. Love this state. I lived in California for 20 years. Lived in Washington State for about, I think, 8 years. Lived in Oregon for 20 years. Oh gosh, don't do the math there, please. But just love it here. No state income taxes. Beautiful all the time. Whoever thought of Florida, the system in Florida, is pretty dang clever. It rains, I don't know, maybe an hour or 2 a day, just pours. What was amazing is growing up in the Northwest, I thought the Northwest had the most inches of rain. But no, it's Miami has the most inches of rain, and also down in Louisiana, like New Orleans, Baton Rouge, they have more rain than Seattle. I didn't realize that. So it comes down in buckets, but it doesn't, you know, there it just drizzles all day. Here it just comes down in just great big torrential buckets. And then it stops. And so we get the green, we get, you know, the sunshine, it's the sunshine state, but we have the green of the benefit of the rain, but then it stops and it's sunny the rest of the day most of the time. So pretty cool system. Anyway, I thought you'd enjoy a little tour. And I really love to have your ideas about videos you'd like to see. Now, I'm not going to do all of them, you know, because they have to be things that, you know, I have expertise in. I like to talk about things I have expertise in and things that has, you know, broad interest, not just, you know, one or two people. But if you have any ideas, put your comments down below. What kind of videos you'd like to see, anything else you'd like to see or know. I have a passion for helping people financially, personally, and with their families. I just have a passion for those kind of things, and that's why I do the videos. I just really enjoy them. You know, it's part of my business because we protect people's money from lawsuits, asset protection, become the biggest asset protection company in the country, have wonderful, wonderful people, you know, several attorneys on staff. I think they're licensed in 7 different states. So anyway, hope you enjoy this little tour, and it's really good talking with you. And, you know, I read your comments, so love to get to know you too. So, you know, write your comments below. Tell me what you think. Tell me any ideas you have for future videos, because I really want to grow my reach and help, you know, just help a whole lot more people. It's got a passion to help people, so that's what it's all about. All right? Okay, thanks so much. Take good care. This is The Business Guy.